Welcome to your Wonderfitter big screen setup. Before we start, let's make sure you have everything you need: your Wonderfitter, your smartphone or tablet, the laser sensor, and of course, a large screen TV or projector. Now let's get your phone or tablet ready. To connect everything, you'll need the Wonderfitter app. For iPad users, you can find it easily on the App Store. If you're on an Android device, please download it directly from our official website, wonderfitter.com. Next, let's set up the laser sensor. Place it on a stable surface, facing your TV screen or projection wall. One crucial point: make sure the bottom of the sensor is lower than the bottom edge of your screen. Adjust the sensor's angle using its built-in slot. Tilt it so that the camera lens is pointing upward, directly towards the center of your screen. Before we move on, please avoid setting up in direct sunlight or under very bright lights. Strong light on either the sensor or the TV can affect its accuracy. Perfect. Let's get connected. Place your smartphone or tablet securely into the dedicated slot at the back of the laser sensor. For the device compatibility list, check the link in the video description. Next, mirror your phone's screen to the TV using your device's built-in casting feature. With the screen mirrored, open the Wonderfitter app. Select your model, tap Connect, then pop open the magazine and hold the button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks. Wait for it to turn solid and see the connected message. Screen calibration begins next. For best results, slightly adjust the laser sensor to fit your entire TV in the frame. It will try automatic calibration first. If needed, switch to manual mode and drag the corners to match your TV's edges. Confirm to proceed. Finally, for the sight calibration, steadily sweep the gun across the 4 static targets at each corner of your screen. Once you've cleared all targets, you're ready. You're now ready to dive into an incredible big screen experience with Wonderfitter. Visit us anytime at wonderfitter.com to see our full product lineup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your training.